This is the anaerobic filter contact aeration process, which is a typical treatment process of small-scale Johkasou in Japan. Many of Johkasou have three processes for wastewater treatment. Example: primary treatment, secondary treatment, and disinfection. In primary treatment, solids in wastewater are separated and stored, which utilizes the phenomena of sedimentation, flotation, adhesion, and filtration of solids caused by the different characteristics of solids and water. The separated solids are stored as sludge. Afterwards, the wastewater with less solids flows into the secondary treatment device, and organic materials in wastewater are decomposed by aerobic microorganisms. During the process, bacteria increase. Aeration devices used in the secondary treatment are designed to make the biological reaction working well by supplying oxygen, keeping contact efficiency of organic materials, microorganisms, and biomass in good condition. It is also equipped with a solid separation function to avoid microorganisms flowing out together with wastewater. The treated wastewater is disinfected by chlorine tablets at the final stage. Besides, there are Johkasou capable of removing both organic pollutants and nitrogen by utilizing the microorganisms that convert nitrogen compounds in wastewater into nitrogen gas. Furthermore, there are Johkasou capable of removing phosphorus by separating and storing solid phosphorus compounds, which are generated by a chemical reaction between phosphate ions dissolved in water and iron ions. An advanced small-scale Johkasou has been developed, in which membrane modules with interstices smaller than the size of coliforms are incorporated. It is capable of removing microorganisms. The high quality of treated wastewater enables its reuse for washing toilet. Recently, a Johkasou with less power consumption has been developed as one of the countermeasures against global warming. In the past, a kind of Tandoku Shori Johkasou was developed to treat toilet wastewater without the use of electricity. This technology could be applied in the areas where the power supply is unstable. As the main purpose of primary treatment is to check the situation with solid separation, storage, the condition of water flow, water level, and accumulation of the sludge is examined. A tool like this is used to measure the thickness of sludge accumulation. From the sludge increases speed, and at what point sludge will need to be removed and transported. If abnormal accumulation occurs, it is necessary to transfer the sludge or adjust related devices for improvement. The secondary treatment devices are mainly aimed at facilitating the aerobic biological treatment, besides the situation of water agitation and the propagation of microorganisms. Water temperature, pH, concentration of dissolved oxygen, etc., which affect activity of microorganisms, should be measured to assess if the conditions are appropriate, and in order to confirm the progress of biological reaction, the situation of generated nitrite ion and nitrite ion is examined through water quality analysis. Moreover, small-scale Johkasou are designed to keep and raise microorganisms in filters like this. The quantity and the condition of microorganisms is examined through sampling. There are active microorganisms in Johkasou. As treated wastewater is disinfected by dissolved chlorine disinfectant, the dissolution of chlorine disinfectant should be measured and examined. The residual amount of chlorine disinfectant is checked and replenished if necessary. The air filter of the blower is checked and cleaned regularly, and the appropriate amount of biofilm is adjusted. As a special expertise is required for the result evaluation and the maintenance work based on it. For these reasons, a training qualifying system for maintenance technicians of Johkasou operators has been established in Japan to keep a high technical level. By receiving regular maintenance, Johkasou maintains its treatment performance. However, it is necessary to dislodge and dispose the accumulated sludge before the amount of sludge exceeds the allowable limit. There are some other maintenance work required depending on the type of Johkasou. For example, inspection and adjustment of pumps, automatic controllers, etc. The sludging work must be done by a vendor who is approved by the government. During the sludging, the desludging worker should check if abnormality occurred in the Johkasou. The Johkasou is filled with water after removing sludge to confirm whether the Johkasou is in a normal operation state or not. The Johkasou sludge is transported to a treatment plant called Night Soil Treatment and Organic Waste Recycling Center. The sludge is treated here by physical, chemical, and biological treatment as done in a Johkasou. The residual sludge is incinerated or landfilled, and part of it is used as a compost material and reused in farms. Johkasou are operated through a comprehensive system in Japan, which requests that maintenance, desludging, and sludge transportation to be done by technicians with proper expertise. The Johkasou businesses are conducted by private vendors who are registered or approved by the government to inspect the work done by the vendors and to confirm the good treatment performance of each Johkasou. Regular inspections are conducted by inspection agencies that are designated by the governors. With this framework, the local government can improve public health and achieve water environment protection, while Johkasou technicians can conduct their work appropriately. As described above, a management system for maintenance, desludging, and inspection has been established. With this system, the Japanese small-scale wastewater treatment facilities called Johkasou are effectively operated. As a result, public health and environmental preservation have been improved.